السلفي لابد أن يكون لغويا. سلفي غير لغوي تعبان.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه كما يحب ربنا ويرضاه. This is lesson 7 in this series, the basics of Arabic reading and writing. In this lesson we are going to learn 3 new letters. But before we start, let's quickly revise the previous letters that we've taken. I'm going to point at the letters and I want you to say them correctly.
خا ثا كاف صاد ذال لام تاء حاء جيم عين راء شين زاي سين راء كاف ألف طاء صاد ثاء سين زاي.
طيب, so let us now begin today's class. The first letter for today is Mim. Mim. It sounds like the ma in the word ma, man, ma, ma, ma. Same sound. It comes from the two lips closing together. When you close the two lips together and release them, ma, it makes that sound. And this is an easy letter, inshallah. Let's say it 5 times. Mim.
ميم
Mim.
ميم
Mim.
ميم
Mim.
ميم
Mim.
ميم.
In terms of writing, meme can be written in 2 ways. When meme is written by itself, it can be written in 2 ways. The first way is written using 3 steps. 3 steps. Step number 1 is this. So we go up, we start off the line, we go up, then we curve, and then we go down. So it's like a triangle, except that we only have 2 sides and the second side is longer than the first. So like this. Up, and then down to the line. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is from here, we're going to connect this triangle. We're going to close the triangle now. That's step number 2. So we go up, down, then we close the triangle. That's step number 2. Closing the triangle is step number 2. Step number 3 is a line that goes like this. It's going to go under the line. Yeah? Just like a curvy line that goes like that. That's step number 3. So step number 1, go up. Step number 2, go down, close it, and then a line that goes out like this. The second way of writing meme, we're going to write it using 2 steps. 2 steps. The first step is exactly the same as step number 1. So we start off the line, go up, curve, and then go down. It's exactly the same as step number 1. So up, down until the line. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is we're going to go like this, then we're going to go down. So step number 2 actually looks like this. It looks like number 2 in Arabic. In Arabic, number 2 is written like this. So this is how step number 2 looks like. It curves. Here it curves. It curves slightly. Here it curves slightly, and then we go down. Step number 1 is the same as step number 1 here. Up, then down, and the second part here is longer than the first. So we go like this, then we go down. The next letter that we're taking for today is Noon. Noon. And this Noon sounds like the N when you say na, nap, nap, na. Same sound, na. Let's say it 5 times. Noon.
نون
Noon.
نون
Noon.
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 In terms of writing, then this is going to be written in 2 steps. 2 steps. Step number 1 is the same as the last step in Sad and Dad. You do this, then you go up. So this is step number 1 in Noon, which is the last step in Sad, Dad, and also Sin, Shin, and also Qaf. All of them had this shape. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is we place the dot. Our final letter for today is wow. Wow. And it sounds like when you say wow, that's nice. Sounds exactly the same. Okay, let me ask you a question. When you see something nice, what do you say?
Wow.
Do you say wow?
Yeah.
What do you say?
MashaAllah.
Yeah, MashaAllah, La quwwata illa billah. Or you say Allahumma barik. Or you can say Allahumma barik. We don't say wow. Do we say wow?
No.
No, we don't say wow. We say Allahumma barik. Or MashaAllah, La quwwata illa billah. In terms of writing, we're going to write it in 2 steps. Step number 1 is the same as Fa and Qaf. The first step in Fa and Qaf was this. طيب. Except that we're going to drag it down. We're going to drag this a little longer. Make this a little longer here. طيب. That's step number 1. We're going to do this. Then step number 2 is we're going to finish it off like this, which looks like the Ra and Za. If you remember Ra and Za, we did it like this. This, then this, then this. This is exactly the same. The second step is exactly the same as Ra and Za. So step number 1, then step number 2. As you can see, I've added Mim, Noon, and Wow, the 3 letters that we've taken today, onto my drop-down letters list. The list of letters which go under the line. So Mim, Noon, Wow are part of this list. And if you look carefully, you could probably see this Lam Alif and Lam Alif added onto these 2 lists. It's not something that we explained in this lesson. Inshallah, I'm going to explain it next lesson. I'm going to explain this next lesson. Okay, let's say these 3 letters together now. Mim.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
Wow.
Wow.
Mim.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, what's this?
Noon.
What's this?
Wow.
What's this?
Mim.
Okay, so our homework is going to be to write 5 rows for each of these 3 letters. And as you know already, when we're writing the letter, we have to pronounce it. Every time we write the letter, we have to pronounce it. Make sure we do this correctly, inshallah. And with this, we come to the end of today's class. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.